Hello everyone. Often it happens with us, we want to grow some trees including fruits and flowers in our garden, though we know it is a small space like a balcony, a porch or a small terrace. Having known the fact that trees need larger space to grow, we often feel depressed and give up the idea of growing our favorite fruit and flowering trees. If you are one of them, have a small balcony or a terrace, want to grow your favorite fruit and flowering trees, then this video is for you. By the end of this video, you will be able to grow the trees of your choice even in your small space. Let's start. First, we need to understand what types of trees we can grow. So there are two types of trees, indoor and outdoor. Indoor trees are popular for their foliage or leaves, whereas outdoor trees are most popular for fruit and flower. Let's start with outdoor, that are fruiting and flowering trees. So the first thing is what types of fruit trees we could grow in a container. We could grow lemon, orange, pomegranate, banana, guava, mango, papaya, apple bear or jujube, fig, water apple and mulberry. To get a notable quantity of fruits from these trees, you have to go for dwarf, hybrid or grafted varieties. They will grow up to 5 or 6 feet but produce lots of fruits despite growing in grow bags or containers. I would suggest not to purchase them online. You may be cheated by the sellers. Better search an old and reputed nursery at your locality to purchase these trees. Next is the flowering tree. Some common flowering trees like plumeria, champa and oleander can be grown in containers. Similarly, hibiscus, gardenia, jasmine are best to grow in containers. These are shrub and grown as small trees on the ground. Curry plant is also a tree. It becomes a small tree when grown on the ground. You can get them locally and online as well. Let's move on and talk about the pots. To grow fruit trees, choose the big size of pots more than 11 inches in height and wider on the top. It is also important to take care of the weight. Clay pots or cement pots are generally heavy and become heavier when we include the potting mix and the amount of water. It puts tons of weight on the floor of your balcony or terrace and could be dangerous too. So always look for lightweight options. Some terrace gardeners use plastic drums to grow these trees on their terrace. You may also use bigger size grow bags. They are resistant to sun heat and last for 4 to 5 years when taken care of properly. Different sizes of grow bags are available online at reasonable prices and you can easily purchase them. Next is a good potting mix. Fruit or flowering plants need organic, rich and porous soil. For that, take 40% of garden soil, 30% of any compost, 20% of coco peat, 10% of sand, perlite or vermiculite, extra 1 handful of bone meal and 1 handful of neem cake powder to protect the roots from fungal infection. Don't add any fertilizer for a month after you repot your fruit and flowering trees. After a month, you can add mustard cake liquid fertilizers twice times in a month for speed growth. Add seaweed liquid fertilizer twice times in a month. Give it on soil and spray on leaves. This will provide all the micronutrients to your trees. After you notice flower buds, stop giving mustard cake fertilizer and start adding potassium based fertilizer that is available in the banana peels. And don't forget to add 2-3 handful of dry compost every month. Dry compost can be any compost like vermicompost, cattle compost or kitchen waste compost. These grow bags are very big in size and the soil inside it holds the moisture for many days. You don't have to water every day. Take a gardening tool, dig the soil and touch with your hand. If you feel moisture in the soil, means no need to water it. Excess watering and moisture may cause root rotting, which you have to avoid completely. Timely pruning is important for all types of plants and trees. By pruning, the tree encourages to form new branches, and new branches always bear more flowers and fruits. Monsoon season is the best season for pruning a flowering tree, or you may do it in early winter. And at the end of a fruiting season, a fruiting tree needs pruning. For pruning, you could use these types of pruning cutter. In the description box below, I have mentioned the links of all the products that I use. You may take a look. Next is the sunlight requirement of this tree. To grow a tree, the first thing that matters is the amount of sunlight your place is receiving in a day. It should get 6 to 7 hours of sunlight in a day to produce good and tasty fruits and many flowers in a flowering tree. But every place or balcony is not lucky to get sunlight, and here the indoor trees come into the scene. If you are disappointed that you cannot grow a tree as your place is not getting sunlight, then you could grow palms, fiddle leaf fig, whipping fig, rubber tree, ficus, dracaena and money tree. These are trees and grow tall when grown on the ground. Indoor trees exactly look like an expensive furniture of your house and clean the inside air for free. Their height gives a detailed structure, and their lush green foliage adds earthy vibe to your brightly lit room. Because of this, everyone is moving towards indoor trees nowadays. To grow these trees, you don't have to use a bigger size of pots because they grow slow when grown inside of your room. These trees need a bigger pot only when their roots outgrow and come out of the current pot. Very soon I'll come up with one episode including all the details of indoor trees and plants. Now you know what types of trees you could grow at your place, but it doesn't mean we can grow all the discussed trees in a balcony. Select a few trees from the list, though it is fruiting, flowering or indoor, because they need vertical as well as horizontal space to grow. Too many plants in a small balcony will create more problems. They will face insect attack and fungus attack. To keep them away, spray neem oil and soapy solution every 10 to 12 days. Proper ventilation of air from all the sides is important for a plant to grow healthy. I am growing a mix of trees, fruit, flowering and indoor that you have already seen in this video. Let's take a quick look of them. So now decide what trees you want to grow at your place. Having a tree at your place means more flow of clean air to your balcony, terrace or living area. I hope you found all the information helpful. Subscribe and stay connected to see these kinds of videos in future. Thanks for watching this. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.